Hey guys, I'm Richard. Today we're going to give you a product review on the Lift and Go electric wheelchair lift. Let's take a closer look. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. The Lift and Go electric wheelchair lift will only fit in a 2-inch receiver. This item weighs 104 pounds, so you will need assistance to pick it up and line it up with your receiver. Once it's inserted, you will use the bolt that's included and the 2 nuts that are included to tighten it into place. To tighten the nuts, you will need a 19mm socket and wrench. The last step to install your lift today is to plug in the electric. The kit comes with all the wiring needed to complete this task. To learn how to install that wiring, follow the link above. Now that we have the lift installed and secured to your vehicle, we're going to show you some of the functions. My hand right now is on the switch box. This is what controls your unit. As you see, it's key operated. So you're going to use one of the 2 keys given. The other can be used as a spare. You'll simply put the key in, turn it to the right to give it power. Your switch is inverted, so to lower your lift, you push up on the switch. This lift utilizes 2 rollers to fold out the ramp. In order to bring your lift back up, you simply push down on the switch. You want to make sure your lift goes all the way up to this post so it does not wobble in transit. Now that we have the lift lowered all the way to the ground, we're going to go over dimensions and the weight capacity. The Lift and Go wheelchair lift has an overall length of 48 inches of usable platform. The overall width is 28 inches. You can load up to 350 pounds on this platform. Once elevated, you have up to 24 inches of possible ground clearance. The platform has ramps on both sides. That way you can load from either direction. The platform comes with 2 ratchets. That way you can properly secure your wheelchair to the lift. To use the ratchet, you simply release the handle, pull it over, and hook it down. If for any reason you lose power to your wheelchair lift, it comes with a manual crank so you can lower or raise your lift. Alright, and that wraps up our review of the Lift and Go electric wheelchair lift. Thanks for watching today. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.